You see Jeep Wrangler, your product trash. Once you get to using this to clean the battery post, this right here is so loose that you get no connection from the positive nor the negative. So I had to cut off this. Look at all that heat right there. That pretty much just fried. So we had to run with this. When you run with these, you see how tight that is? Look, you still can play with this to get movement. That is tight. That is tight. That's what you want as far as good ground. The same thing with the positive. I'm gonna have to run with this. You put this here, right? Look at that. I ain't even got it tight. And look, she barely moves until I get to tighten it with a wrench. So I'm gonna have to cut these off just so I can keep these ends so you don't have to be split no wire. So pretty much get you a grinder or a small hacksaw, and you got to get to taking this stuff off, you see? So, and plus, once you get this off right here, this hole will fit this. That'll definitely fit. You see? That will fit in there. But with the cross, where we at with the cross? Right here with the cross, she's not going to fit. So pretty much what you're going to have to do is get you a comb so you can open that up. So you can open that up large enough so you can be able to fit on top of here for the positive, all right? So let's go ahead and get this done. So I already start cutting it because I already cut the other one off. If you can see, I cut that off already. We going with this. Let me finish up. All right, so we was able to cut it off. So pretty much I'm just go ahead and grind it, make it smooth and get everything together. So let's go ahead and finish up. But like I said, you're going to have to go with these pieces here because this old stuff ain't no good. They get to moving. You wonder why your truck ain't acting right. You're losing power and everything. And that's because of these damn posts. Let's finish up. All right, so you got to take your comb right here. Open this up right here to about a 5/16. Take this, put it here. She fit right on top. She fit right on top, perfect. So now you just go ahead and connect all your wires back. And you pretty much, you're pretty much back in business, all right? So let's finish this up. All right, pretty much about done. Like I said, if you're gonna change the post and go from these trash pieces that comes from the factory off the Jeep Wranglers, I advise you, once you start cleaning this right here, to clean off, to get a better connection, you're gonna lose grip on it. So you're gonna have to go with these right here. I recommend you to go with these styles. Whatever color, you can go gold, whatever carpet, it's up to y'all, but everything is tight. See, it don't even move. It don't even move. That don't go nowhere. This right here ain't moving nowhere. Might got to do a little more on this one, but that's pretty much it. So she gonna get a great connection. We come down from a positive to a negative. All right, so make sure y'all like, share, and subscribe to the channel. 2012 Jeep Wrangler.